How to remote cable RG45 testing cable remote and fix in the multimeter one white cable and test the cable. Again you select the meter RG45 and show this and test button and show the RG45 and missing 1 and 2 and 3 and 6 cable is missing and 4, 5 and 1, 6. Okay, this is a 4 cable missing. This is a wrong cable and check the exact cable. This is a missing 4 cables. Multimeter, select multimeter. The second I check this cable. This is accurate cable. This number came, this is accurate. I check the blue cables and remote cable and press the RG45 and